Ancient maritime activities hold a pivotal place in human history, serving as the cradle of maritime exploration, trade, and naval warfare. The ancient civilizations of Greece and Rome, in particular, witnessed groundbreaking developments in the field of maritime endeavors. The ancient Greeks were renowned seafarers who navigated the Mediterranean, establishing trade routes and invigorating maritime commerce. The trireme, an iconic vessel of the ancient Greek naval arsenal, featured 3 tiers of oars and played a crucial role in naval warfare. Greek seafarers also contributed significantly to the development of navigation, astronomy, and meteorology, enhancing their understanding of the seas. The Roman Empire, succeeding the Greeks, further advanced maritime activities. The Romans recognized the strategic importance of maritime trade and constructed elaborate ports and sea routes to facilitate commerce. Roman fleets became a formidable force in the Mediterranean, securing trade routes and projecting military power. Their naval engineering prowess is evident in the construction of durable warships such as the trireme, showcasing technological advancements of the time. Trade, a cornerstone of ancient maritime activities, connected civilizations across vast distances. Ships like the caravella, prevalent in the Mediterranean before the Roman era, featured square sails and a robust hull, embodying the maritime trade spirit of the time. These vessels facilitated the exchange of goods, culture, and ideas, fostering intercultural connections. In Northern Europe, the Vikings utilized longships for exploration, raiding, and trade. These versatile vessels, propelled by oars and sails, allowed the Vikings to navigate both open seas and shallow rivers, expanding their influence across Europe. While ancient maritime technology was constrained by the available materials and knowledge, these civilizations laid the foundation for future maritime endeavors. The legacy of ancient maritime activities endures, shaping the course of human history and influencing contemporary maritime practices. The intricate interplay of trade, technology, and seafaring in antiquity established a maritime heritage that continues to captivate our understanding of the seas. Ancient ships, also known as antique or ancient vessels, represent a fascinating aspect of maritime history. These vessels, constructed in times long past, offer a glimpse into the technological and cultural achievements of ancient civilizations. One remarkable example is the Egyptian Khufu ship, dating back to around 2500 BCE, discovered near the Great Pyramid of Giza. This well-preserved vessel provides valuable insights into the advanced shipbuilding techniques of the ancient Egyptians, showcasing their mastery in constructing seaworthy vessels for both practical and symbolic purposes. Similarly, the Greek trireme, a warship characterized by its 3 rows of oars, played a pivotal role in naval warfare during the classical period. These ships were integral to the success of the Athenian fleet in battles such as the Battle of Salamis in 480 BCE. The intricate design and strategic importance of the trireme highlight the sophistication of ancient naval engineering and tactics. In the Mediterranean, the Roman Empire boasted an impressive fleet of ancient ships, including the renowned Roman warship known as the corvus. This boarding device, used during the First Punic War in the 3rd century BCE, allowed Roman marines to secure enemy ships during naval engagements. The corvus is a testament to Roman ingenuity in adapting and improving upon existing maritime technologies. The legacy of these ancient ships extends beyond their physical remains. They served as a bridge connecting us to the seafaring past, where craftsmanship and innovation converged to shape the course of history. Studying these antique G. provides a deeper understanding of the technological, cultural, and strategic aspects of ancient maritime civilizations, enriching our appreciation for the complexities of seafaring in antiquity. The techniques of ancient navigation. Celestial navigation. Ancient mariners heavily relied on celestial navigation, using the stars, sun, and moon as their celestial compass. Polynesians, Greeks, and Phoenicians were particularly adept at interpreting the night sky to determine their position and direction. Coastal navigation. Navigating along coastlines was a common practice in ancient times. Mariners utilized landmarks, distinctive shorelines, and natural formations to guide their vessels safely. This method was crucial for avoiding open sea dangers and reaching desired destinations. Dead reckoning. The method of dead reckoning involved estimating a vessel's position based on its previously known location, speed, and direction. While this method was prone to errors, it provided sailors with a practical means of navigation between known points. Tools of the trade. Astrolabe. The astrolabe, an ancient instrument for solving various problems related to time and the position of celestial objects, was widely used in maritime navigation. It allowed sailors to determine their latitude by measuring the angle between the horizon and the sun or a particular star. Sextant. Developed later in history, the sextant became an invaluable tool for measuring the angle between two visible objects, such as the horizon and a celestial body. This precise instrument enhanced navigational accuracy during the Age of Exploration. Significance of ancient maritime navigation. Trade and cultural exchange. The mastery of ancient navigation fostered extensive maritime trade networks, connecting distant civilizations and facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. The Phoenicians, for example, navigated the Mediterranean, establishing trade routes that spanned the ancient world. Exploration and expansion. Successful navigation empowered civilizations to explore and expand their territories across the seas. The voyages of explorers like the Greeks, Romans, and Chinese greatly influenced the spread of knowledge, technologies, and resources. The art of ancient maritime navigation was a remarkable testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Through the skillful use of celestial observations, coastal landmarks, and navigational tools, ancient mariners charted the waters and paved the way for the interconnected world we know today. Their legacy lives on in the maritime traditions that continue to shape our understanding of the seas and exploration. The history of maritime engineering. The history of maritime engineering is a fascinating journey through time, marked by the evolution of techniques and technologies that have shaped our ability to navigate and harness the power of the seas. The roots of maritime engineering can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where rudimentary forms of shipbuilding and harbor construction first emerged. Ancient civilizations. In the ancient world, maritime engineering primarily focused on the construction of ships and basic harbor facilities. The Egyptians, Phoenicians, Greeks, and Romans were among the early pioneers in shipbuilding, developing vessels that catered to trade, exploration, and military purposes. Harbor infrastructure, such as quays and rudimentary breakwaters, were constructed to facilitate maritime activities. Medieval and Renaissance advances. During the medieval and Renaissance periods, advancements in naval architecture and navigation techniques began to emerge. Shipbuilders experimented with different hull designs, introducing innovations such as the caravel, a versatile and maneuverable sailing ship. Navigation tools like astrolabes and compasses became essential for maritime exploration, enabling sailors to traverse previously uncharted waters. Age of Exploration. The Age of Exploration in the 15th and 16th centuries witnessed significant strides in maritime engineering. Shipbuilding techniques improved, and larger vessels like galleons were developed for long-distance voyages. Engineers focused on optimizing sail plans and rigging systems to enhance a ship's performance under various wind conditions. The construction of lighthouses and improved navigational aids further contributed to safer maritime travel. Industrial Revolution and steam power. The 19th century marked a transformative period for maritime engineering with the advent of the Industrial Revolution. Steam power revolutionized the propulsion of ships, leading to the development of steamships. Iron and later steel became primary materials for ship construction, offering greater strength and durability. Engineers also tackled challenges related to propulsion efficiency, leading to the introduction of compound and triple expansion steam engines. 20th century and beyond. The 20th century witnessed continued innovation in maritime engineering. The transition from steam to diesel engines, the introduction of nuclear propulsion for submarines, and the development of advanced materials like fiberglass and aluminum reshaped the maritime landscape. Modern maritime engineering encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including naval architecture, marine propulsion systems, oceanography, and offshore engineering. Contemporary challenges. In the 21st century, maritime engineers face new challenges related to sustainability, environmental conservation, and the exploration of deep-sea resources. The development of autonomous vessels, renewable energy sources for maritime propulsion, and innovative solutions for mitigating the impact of shipping on marine ecosystems are central themes in contemporary maritime engineering.